Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Beajax the Builder, and today we're going to go over how to 3D print using AI. So this website I have is Hunyon 3D2. You can find this in the comments below. I'll leave a link in the description. So I'll show you guys what 3D AI's capabilities are. So this is just some of the stuff right here, the settings. I haven't really touched them. I just kind of use whatever it was already at because it seemed to work fine. But maybe in another video I'll play around with that and give you all a better idea of what it's capable of. So I'm gonna look up an object here. So I'm just gonna look up something simple like a Pokeball. Super easy. So what we're gonna do here is just click this Pokeball here, take the image and then drag it over, and then drop it into the program, and then that's what we're going to use to generate our 3D image. Alright, now that the image is loaded in, as you can see, we're just going to type in a generated caption. Make a 3D, let's see, Pokeball or something like that for me. Spelled it wrong. There we go. Alright, you don't really need to type anything. It usually runs it by itself, but sometimes I just do that. Maybe I think it helps it search up across the web. So it's going to take a little bit, so we'll cut this short and come back. Alright, here we go. So you can see the beginning of it is finally modeled. It's spinning around, so in a second we'll see the front side, and it actually kept the color, as you guys can see, of what it actually looks like. So it fills in the gaps, which is pretty cool. I'm not really sure how it does that. I've done other stuff that's more complicated and it ends up getting the back side correct. But I think this is really cool how it does it. So the next step is just to download everything. We're gonna hit download all. It's gonna come in a zip file, so you're gonna wanna open it and then extract all files in your settings. It's kept in the same location for easy access. So it's gonna actually download it as a GLB file. I'm not sure why it does that, but I found an easy converter that I'll also attach in the description below that you guys can use just to link it real fast, and it does a really fast job at converting the files. So we'll go to my favorites, go to converter, yep, and then the link right here. You can use any converter, but this, I like this one. This is super fast. Click the file. I don't know why it does duplicates, but either one should suffice. And then you're going to open it. I think it has to do with the color of it. So one is the color, one isn't. But yeah, you see the models right here. See STL. So now you can put it in your 3D printing slicer profile in a second, and yeah, start the 3D print. And then you're gonna just want to click STL. And then it's just say download at the top. So that's it for that. So now we're gonna download it, open the file right here, close all this out. Then we're going to open Cura, which is what I use for my Anycubic Cobra. And then we're gonna take the file, drag it over, throw it right in. So one thing I noticed sometimes, it scales weird. This is the first time I've had it shrink small, but what you can do is just click it and then go to your scale function and just adjust it. Sometimes it shows the measurement of like the axis, and since this is a circle, the z-axis would kind of show like the diameter of it, but since it's a sphere, each side is going to be equal distance out, so shouldn't really matter. Just pick a size you want, and as you can see, ends up working very well. Then you can just play around with your settings to get it where you want it. So I just set it at 50 millimeters and I get something easy. And then I throw some supports on so that it can print upright without it like rolling away or falling and messing up. So I'll add these supports on. There we go, supports are on. Now I'm just gonna slice it real fast, let it load, and I'll show you a preview of just like what everything looks like, just so you can see it. Yep, there it is. And then that's the build plate for Raft and everything in the sports. And yep, you'll see how it starts to print it. And that's basically it. That's how you use AI to 3D print. So let me know what you guys want in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.